based in beautiful sunny Perth. Actually quite sunny today. It's, August the 19th. We've had a few weeks of rain, but finally a bit of sun has come back, thank goodness. So we're hoping this will get better as we go into September. What I wanted to do today is just bring you a brief video related to visa refusals. So we're getting quite a few people contact us in regard to having their visitor visas refused. So there's a couple of options there, which is occurring at the moment. So there's a couple of, obviously due to COVID, people are wanting to remain in Australia and are struggling to meet the requirements for other visas. So they're lodging visitor visas to stay. There's a couple of different types. One quite popular visa at the moment is what's called the temporary activity visa, a subclass 408. So this visa is lodged basically if you're either working in a critical industry, things like healthcare or aged care, for example, you can lodge one of those to try and stay, or basically if you're unable to get flights back to your home country due to COVID, you've got less than 28 days left on your visa. So people are lodging these 408 applications, and a number of them are getting refused. So there's that one. There's obviously the standard 600 visitor visa, which other applicants are lodging in Australia to be able to remain here. So I just wanted to sort of explore if the worst case happens and your visitor visa or 408 visa is refused, what do you do next? Okay, so there's something in place called the Administrative Appeals Tribunal. So essentially this allows you to appeal the decision if it is refused in Australia. So it's typically, if immigration are making an unfavourable decision to a visa applicant, typically they're able to seek review of that decision. So basically what happens is they have a complete hearing of the application. They'll reconsider the facts, the law, the policy of the original decision and determine which is the correct and preferable decision. So there's very strict timelines in applying to the AAT, which you need to be aware of. Typically at the moment, it could be up to even a 12-month wait, even if visitor visas have been refused. 12-month wait once you've lodged your AAT application. If you're in Australia, you will obtain a bridging visa. Usually your bridging visa will continue throughout the processing time for the tribunal. So as I said, about 12 to 18 month wait. It may be less, maybe slightly more, but generally it's around that mark. The fees to lodge these tribunal applications at the moment are $1,826. You can potentially get a 50% reduction for financial hardship. So there is an avenue. If you've lodged your visitor visas onshore, you got them refused, then hope is not lost. Potentially you can apply to have this decision appealed at the tribunal. Okay, so if you've had that issue and worst case scenario has happened, you're very welcome to get in touch with us. So my email address is andrew@visamakers.com.au. Or if you're on our website, there's lots of little contact us forms on there. Please send a message through and we're happy to give you a call back straight away. I know it can be quite distressing for yourself and your family having these visas refused. But, all hope is not lost. Please get in touch and we can organise to try and work out the best strategy for you moving forward. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for listening. Really appreciate it. Take care and be in touch soon. Bye-bye for now.